The hostname command is a simple shell utility that is typically used to either print out the hostname of the computer to standard output or to set the hostname of the machine. So if I switch over to the terminal and I type hostname without any other flags or options, it prints the hostname of the machine. In my case, my hostname is DTOS. And I would say 99% of the time I run the hostname command, it's just like that. No other flags or options. I just want the hostname of the computer. That's why the command is called hostname. That's typically what you want, but it actually does have some other flags that do print out other information. For example, -I for IP address gives the IP address of this machine. -F prints the fully qualified domain name. So if this computer had a domain name, it would print that out. In this case, it just prints out the host name. And then, of course, you can use hostname to set the host name of the computer. For example, if I wanted to change my host name from DTOS to something else, I could do hostname and then new name. And operation is not permitted because you need sudo privileges to run this command. So let me elevate privileges, and you can see I just changed the host name of this computer from DTOS to new name. Now I want to change that back, so let me run sudo hostname DTOS to change it back to the way it was. One other thing you can do, you can also use hostname with the -F flag for a file. If you have a text file that contains a hostname, just plain text, a hostname, you can feed it a file, so path to hostname.txt in this case, whatever it happens to be. And that's really all there is to hostname. If you want to read a little more about hostname, please type man hostname in the terminal to read the man page.